Welcome back to the show, traders. You're listening to FX videos, where we break down the Forex market with precision and give you the insights you need to stay ahead. It's Monday, March 10th, 2025, and we've got a lot to unpack. From the latest currency moves to what's shaping up for the next trading session, we'll make sure you're ready to tackle the market with confidence. Let's dive right in. Let's start with how the major currency pairs performed today. The US dollar index, DXY, saw a slight retreat after last week's strong rally, pulling back near 104.85 as traders locked in profits. The focus was on the latest inflation data and expectations surrounding the Federal Reserve's next move. Euro to US dollar, the euro gained some ground, climbing towards 1.0950, fueled by stronger than expected industrial production numbers from Germany. However, resistance near 1.0980 remains key. Pound sterling to US dollar, the pound showed resilience, holding steady above 1.2820 as Bank of England officials continued to push back against early rate cut expectations. US dollar to Japanese yen, the yen strengthened slightly, dipping below 148.50 amid speculation that the Bank of Japan might tweak its yield curve control policy again. Australian dollar to US dollar, the Australian dollar remained under pressure near 0.6615 following softer Chinese trade data, raising concerns about demand for Australian exports. US dollar to Canadian dollar, the Canadian dollar saw a modest boost, with US dollar to Canadian dollar sliding towards 1.3420, supported by a rebound in crude oil prices above $80 per barrel. Several factors played into today's moves, and these will be crucial for the next trading session. US inflation expectations, the latest Consumer Price Index, CPI, report is due tomorrow, and traders are already positioning for it. A hotter-than-expected print could push the Fed to maintain a hawkish stance, lifting the dollar. Conversely, any sign of softening inflation could fuel bets on rate cuts later in the year. Central bank chatter, speeches from key policymakers at the Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, and Bank of England have kept volatility elevated. The ECB remains cautious about declaring victory over inflation, while the Fed is balancing between sticky inflation and growth concerns. Commodities impact, oil's rebound helped support commodity-linked currencies like the Canadian and Australian dollars. If energy prices continue to climb, we could see further pressure on inflation-sensitive currencies. So, what's next? Here's what to watch for in the upcoming session. Euro to US dollar, a break above 1.0980 could open the door for a test of 1.1020, but downside risks remain if US inflation data surprises to the upside. Expect key support near 1.0880. Pound sterling to US dollar, if the pair holds above 1.2800, we could see another push toward 1.2900. However, any hawkish Fed rhetoric might cap gains. US dollar to Japanese yen, a move back above 149.00 is possible if risk sentiment improves and the dollar regains strength. Support sits at 148.00. Australian dollar to US dollar, watch for a potential bounce if China releases any supportive economic measures. A break above 0.6650 could shift momentum. US dollar to Canadian dollar, oil prices will be the main driver. A move below 1.3400 could signal further CAD strength, while a bounce above 1.3460 would favor the dollar. That wraps up today's episode. The Forex market is shaping up for another busy session, with inflation data, central bank rhetoric, and commodity price swings all playing a role. Make sure you stay disciplined, keep an eye on key levels, and adapt as the market evolves. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us for daily insights. Also, let us know what pairs you're trading this week, drop a comment or reach out on social media. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy trading!